No. Oh no!
Okay, ready?
No.
You wanna do my intro?
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
Okay, everyone, so today we're gonna be doing I don't even know what it is.
Okay, today we're gonna be remaking Final Cut Pro sound effects. And I'm here with Brooke, who's my high school friend. She also has a YouTube channel, so subscribe to her, obviously. For the first part of the video, we're going to be recreating the sound effects. In the second video, we're gonna be creating our own. Okay, so we're not doing the second part of the video because the video ended up being too long. So, yeah, my roommate's sleeping, which is why I'm whispering. First sound effect. Why'd you say that while I was talking? Okay, ready? Boo! You don't have to be that close. Boo! Okay, Kristen, you have to do this with us. Okay, ready?
Yay! That's perfect for this one.
3, 2, 1.
You started like laughing and I could see and I was like, fuck.
3, 2.
I can't.
Why do you do it so well?
I don't know. I feel like I'm making such a weird face too. I messed up.
Oh, your voice cracked.
You try.
So I'll do the deep one and then you'll do the high pitched one. Sounds like a door creak.
And you're gonna do the.
How deep? Okay, got it. 3, 2, 1.
I didn't go up high enough.
2, 1.
Let me allow to get the.
And then I'll come in.
Yeah.
Nice!
I didn't crack.
Oh my god!
Busher Weiner Tanner.
Busher Wanner Tanner.
Busher Weiner Tanner.
Busher Wanner Tanner. My voice cracked because you made me laugh. Busher Wanner Tanner.
I literally showed no sign of like laughing, and then I just felt you looking at me, and I was like, "Don't laugh, Brooke," and then I started smiling.
Busher Wanner Tanner.
That was perfect.
Oh, okay, good.
Get out of here!
Yo, one of you guys
Yeah,
can be
just
come
do the-
on or get out of here.
Yeah, and I'll do that. Come on.
And just other witty remarks.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Dude, that was so good! Oh my god, let's hear it, let's hear it. The get out of here was perfect! How long is that one? 9 seconds? Can you hold a note for 9 seconds?
I can't.
I
get
can
those notes.
pitch it up. I can pitch it up in post.
So can I do like?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's fine. It's okay. We'll work with it. You mean it? Okay, I'm gonna be spitting a lot, so. 3, 2, 1.
This is gonna be rough. Hold on. You start laughing.
Fuck!
Oh,
You wanna hear it? It's like a cat that got hurt.
2, 1.
Dude, I forgot a in the middle.
It's okay.
I could
No one's gonna
edit
notice.
it. I can edit that in.
And the
That's actually gonna sound like that. We need a zipper. Do you guys have a zipper jacket?
yeah, I want some.
Their relationship. And then he's like,
It's getting caught.
Like, well, she's
She's gonna scream in your
Yeah,
last.
that one's
So going down. Okay.
That's all I'm
Kind of
doing.
like right there. Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god!
Yeah, you do it better.
Wait.
Quite upset.
3, 2, 1.
That was good. You have to do the. Actually, I like
I
that.
can't do that.
You do the. We're
Yeah, do that. Oh, that one's better.
yeah, this one's better, but it hurts. You have to like make your voice.
I can't, my voice keeps cracking.
And then you have to do it again. Why am I so good at this?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I didn't know we were starting.
Oh my god, this is really difficult.
That was
It's
good.
still going. Alright, next sound.
Sorry.
Excuse me. Is that the next sound effect?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, suspense accent number 3. We need like instruments for that.
Yeah, I don't think we can do that.
Yeah, let's just do that. Because we have nothing else.
You try. You can't go high enough. I have a really high vocal range. I need a lot of water for
Yeah,
this.
what is this called?
Dude, I'm gonna lose my voice this weekend. I'm lightheaded.
There's like a clap.
The,
Or it's a symbol. It's
Yeah.
a symbol.
Are you
Gonna
gonna
see that?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
I don't know if
Let's
that
hear
was
it.
it.
2, 1. I didn't even know you burped. How did I not know that? 2, 1.
That's good enough.
That was so good. Okay. 2, 1.
That ending. I I can't do
That's
that.
perfect.
How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god. Whoa. Dude, that's gonna hurt
I
my
can't do
throat
that.
so bad. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
6 is fine.
I couldn't get the last one. Okay, you guys, are you ready? Michaela?
Am I in there?
Exposed.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Crop me out.
Okay, I'll put a sensor over you.
Can you like put like make it blurry?
Yeah, I can make it blurry. It goes like,
Only one of us does the first one though.
and then we all join the second one.
Yeah.
Okay, you do the first one then. Okay. Ready? I'm gonna record. 3, 2, 1. We were kind of late, but
That sounded so dumb. We're all like,
Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again. 2, 1.
that did not sound.
No, it was too like
We don't have to do it.
It's gonna be like, yes,
what
it
it
has
sounds
to be.
Fine.
We all just attacked you. We gotta go like.
You have to like literally go. Cause you can't go.
Kirsten,
Okay.
you do it.
It's like a roller coaster. Okay. 2, 1. Who was late?
We don't sound sad.
That was you. Okay, one more time. Who was the late one?
That was Brooke.
Was that you again? 2, 1. Boing, yoing, 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 yoing.
Yeah, so Priscilla doesn't like to do her own outros and she didn't bring her camera, so we're doing it on her computer. Thanks for watching. Leave a like because I know I cracked a smile at least once in this video. Hey Dad. I also recorded a video with Priscilla, so head over to my channel, search up Brooke Adams Starcher. It's spelled out just the way it sounds, so just spell it out. Comment down below what your favorite sound effect that we did. Subscribe. Bye.